For many movie fans, watching Blu-ray films in 4K resolution is a great pleasure. However, computers and external Blu-ray disc drives are not suitable for portable viewing. Then, you may want to rip 4K Blu-ray to mainstream streaming media format. We can offer you a useful way for 4K Blu-ray ripping. Just subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more tips. To complete the format conversion, VideoByte BD-DVD Ripper can be a reliable and intuitive helper. It can help you remove any Blu-ray protection efficiently and preserve original video quality perfectly. Get the download link from the description below. Insert a Blu-ray disc into your external Blu-ray drive and run VideoByte BD-DVD Ripper on your computer. Then, tap the upper left button Load Blu-ray disc and select the content which you need to convert. Just move to the Rip Alt field to select the output format. On the drop-down menu, you can select mainstream formats such as MP4, and the 4K video option is also available. Press the settings icon and a pop-up window will appear. You can customize resolution, frame rate, and bitrate. All audio tracks and subtitles can be preserved without loss. Navigate your mouse to the lower Save To section and choose where to save your converted videos. Now, hit the Rip All icon to rip 4K Blu-ray disc to your desired video formats. The ripping speed can reach 6x faster. In a moment, you will get your video converted. Apart from ripping 4K Blu-ray discs, this tool can also rip all types of DVD discs. It is the only software on the market providing DVD Blu-ray ripping service. Just a piece of cake, right? Don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more DVD-related tips. Thanks for watching.